Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ssv network. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this big breakout from this down channel, and right now ssv network is trying to break out the next resistance of $10 as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal move of ssv network, and this pattern was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair, and this was our potential reversal zone. And we also had a quite strong support here at 2928. Therefore, I told my members that we can set our stop loss below this support, because previously this level has been working as a nice support and resistance, like here as a resistance, here as a support. And after playing this chart, we can see that we had a fake out to the downside. It slightly moved down than this support, but recovered within few hours, recovered back, and we had a very big pump that was around 40 to 50% pump. And during this, ssv network has again reached this resistance of $10. Previously it was moving inside this down channel. By the way, now we are on the ssv network with US dollar pair chart, and this is the daily time frame, and you can see it was moving inside this down channel since 27th of March, and it was not able to break out the resistance of the channel even after several attempts. And we have so many touch points at the support as well. Here we had a fake out to the downside, and here we had the last fake out to the downside, but the price line eventually broke out the resistance. And so far, from this low to this high, it has been surged more than 160%. And after the breakout, if I place this measurement tool from this candlestick up to this high, it was surged more than 100%. And here price line was rejected by this resistance of $10 and dropped at this support. If we take a look at this support, then we can see previously this level of $5.70 has been breaking as a strong resistance here, as a support here. And if we move more back, then here it has been breaking as a support back in the month of January 2022. And right now we are again moving towards this resistance after getting bounced from this support and after forming a harmonic bullish reversal setup. And if we take a look at this move of price line here, price line formed higher low than previous low, but the stochastic formed lower than previous low. So there was a hidden bullish divergence, and the price line moved at the support with the hidden bullish divergence, and therefore it rallied very well and reached a resistance there. And therefore I'm also expecting that soon it can also break out, because it has reached a resistance of this $10 with hidden bullish divergence. At the same time, we have found another resistance. We have rejection here, we have rejection here, and this is another touch. And if I connect all these touch points, then here we have the resistance, here we have the support. So there is a formation of another up channel. Now, for example, if we will be rejected, then there will be a possibility that we will not test this support. We will only test the support of the channel, and again, there can be a possibility that the price line will move up from here. However, if we take a look at the target from this channel, after breaking out this channel, that can be very close to the next resistance of $18.50, and that can be also our final target for this down channel as well, because here we also have the top of the channel, and you can see that the top of the channel is slightly above than this resistance of $18.50, but we have a lot of resistance here. Therefore I'm setting my target here, and you can see previously this level has been breaking as a resistance here, and as a resistance here as well. Therefore, it is possible that it will again work as a very strong resistance for ssv network. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.